Hello everyone, in the Scratch tutorial we're going to create a gravity game. So to make the player have gravity in this game, like this. It's a really simple tutorial and I will show you. So first off, make a new project. Now we will have the cat as a player. You can have whatever player you want. Now go to events. Now grab a when green flag click. Now create two new variables x and y for all sprites. Now once that's it, set x and set y to 0 at the very beginning. Now go to x, which is 0, and y, which is 0. Now go to events and broadcast a new message, and it will be called start gravity. Click OK. Now go to control, grab a forever loop, and I forgot, put the go to x and y in the forever loop, so it will keep going forever. Now put that in. Now go to when I receive start gravity from events, then go to control, then grab a repeat until go change y by minus, let's say 5, so it will go down. Now we need a ground. Now create a new sprite. Now just ground, can be whatever. Like this. Now go to your sprite, the player. Now repeat until touching sprite 2, which is the ground. Now if we press the green flag, you see it works. So now our cat has gravity, and if we say here, if we make it y 96 and x 1, it still works. So when I start as gravity, it will repeat until touching sprite 2, change y by minus 5, which means it will go down, and when it is touching sprite 2, it will stop. So yeah, you have your gravity here. Now that's it for this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.